Hello. People have been asking about the problems where you have to find domains and use interval notation to enter them, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So the domain of this function is anywhere where the denominator is not 0. So to figure out where the denominator would be 0, we set it equal to 0 and solve this equation. This is just factoring a polynomial. Factor out an x, and from there we can see that x is 0 or 2. All right, but if you stop there, you would be very wrong, because the actual answer to the problem is literally any number in the universe except 0 or 2. So interval notation is basically just a way of saying that, where you can think about it as a number line, and we just want a math symbol to write, okay, any of these numbers back here, or any of these numbers in here, or any of these numbers up here. So here's what interval notation is. So to say any number up to 0, you take an interval and you go from negative infinity up to 0. So this is called an open-ended interval because it never stops. So to say any number up to 0, you say that it starts at negative infinity. And then we need a way to like, this is a compound interval. We need a way to say or the numbers between 0 and 2. Sorry about my dots. So that's where this funky U symbol comes in math. The U in math is short for the word union, and union is the math word for or. Literally, it means the word or. Okay, so you say or any number between 0 and 2. Now you have to use curvy parentheses and not square brackets for this, because if you put a bracket, that means that the 0 or the 2 is included, and that would be wrong, right? It's not included. Okay, and then you say or any number bigger than 2. And so the same deal here, you just say from 2 up to infinity, even though infinity is not a number. So for that reason, you also would never put square brackets around infinity, because it's not included, because it's a concept or whatever it is. Okay, so that's the answer, and now I will show you how to type it in. So you want to say, okay, any number from negative infinity up to 0. So you can certainly find an infinity symbol over here, or hot tip, life hack, you can just type the word infinity. Look at that. So it's kind of smart. So now to find the union symbol, you could also find it over here. But once again, look what it does if I just type the word union, right? So you just write what you want and it gives it to you. Cool. So then we want from 0 up to 2. And same deal, union 2 up to in. And once again, I'm just going to type the word infinity. And then that should work. So we will certainly encounter that type of thing again. Yay, I'm right. Okay, thank you.